So when talking about our testing that we are doing and the data collection to measure and inform student learning, just a little bit about what I have seen so far. The grade level that I'm teaching is fourth grade. We have 22 students in our class. The demographics of our class consists of 5 Asian, 8 Hispanic, 1 Pacific Islander or Native American, and 8 white students. The 22 students in our class, 13 of them are ESL students. We have grades pre-K through 5th grade in our school, totaling 410 students. 246 of them are white, 3 are black or African American, 29 Asian, 1 American Indian, 5 Native Hawaiian, 74 Hispanic, 46 2 or more race categories, and 6 unspecified. In our classroom, we have 0 students who are on an IEP. Some of the assessment and data collection that we do in our classroom is FastBridge, which does the reading and math levels to see where they are at. We do, and also within the FastBridge, there's a thing called ECAM, that if a student is 2 grade levels or more behind on reading and math, this will break down their learning even more for the student to understand. In our classroom, we have about 4 that are at least 2 grade levels behind where they need to be in both those categories. MobyMax places students in different groups based on their level of math. We have done MobyMax a couple of days so far in the school year. We also are doing a new thing for Hayesville. It's called iReadyMath. The students take a 3-day diagnostic to place them in their correct math levels. And so this new curriculum that Hayesville has, it's a great program, and it really shows us where the kids need to be for our math. And then Bear Spelling. This tests the students to see how well they spell and what spelling level they need to start out at. We have about 8 kids in our class who are at level or a little bit higher. Everybody else, we have some that are at 3rd grade level, just a few at the 2nd grade level, and we have one that's at a 1st grade level spelling wise, and he's in the 4th grade. So this is just a few of the testing that we do in the classroom that I'm in. The sources that I have are what I've seen in the classroom, talking with my classroom teacher, getting these things that we do in our classroom. This is where I got my information. How will we track progress over time? By seeing where they're at around Christmas time. We take some of these same tests to see if they've made any improvements. We take weekly spelling tests. Just these little tests here can help show what the student needs more work on, what they're doing great at. And so this is how we will be able to track our progress over time.